Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial I will show you how to convert this isometric drawing into the 3D model with the help of a part design workbench in FreeCAD. As you can see that I have already did it, and I will show you from the scratch how you can do the same in a FreeCAD. Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will convert this isometric drawing into the 3D model with the help of a part design workbench in FreeCAD. So before starting this tutorial, if you like my method of teaching, then you can support me on coffee.com. Your small support will help this channel to grow, and it will motivate me to create a more awesome content on FreeCAD. You can find my donation page link on about us sections of my channel. You can also find Ko-fi page link on the header of my channel, and I will also provide the Ko-fi page link in a video description. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write the articles and tutorials on a FreeCAD, and I also covers here other open source CAD software which will enhance your design. Now come back to our topic and start the part modeling. So first I will create a new file, and I will create a body, and I will on my origin plane. Now as per our isometric orientations, we are viewing the part from this direction. Here is the arrow. So according to our orientation of part, we will select this exit plane and create our sketch. Now I will move to the tree view and off my origin plane, and here my inner dia is a 64 and outer dia is 100. So simply I will draw the two circles. So outer one is 100, so I will give you here 100, and inner one is a 64. And now we will create this profile. So for this I will draw the profile here, and it is a 50. So I will select the symmetricity, and I will make this 2-point symmetric with our axis. I will delete this conflict. Now I will give the dimension 50, and here is a cut, which is a material removal process, so we will do in a separate sketch. And now I will remove this geometry because this is not the part of our sketch. So I will select the trim and I will trim it, and now we will find the height from the center. So here it is a 75. So I will select these 2 points, and I will give the vertical dimension 75. So here is our sketch is fully constrained. Now I will switch to the isometric view, and I will come out of the sketch, and total extrusion length is 10 mm. So I will go with the pad. So here it is a 10 mm, but it is symmetric with our plane. So here I will click on symmetric to the plane. So here is something wrong, because this would not be the 10 mm, because we can see here this cylinder length is a 40, so it will be 40. Here is a mistake in a drawing. Okay, now I will say OK, and now we will make this cut profile. So I will select the face and create a sketch, and I will project this bottom edge, and I will draw a rectangle, and here it is a 60, so here is also dimension is wrong, it would be the 6 mm. So I will select the symmetricity and make it symmetric, and I will delete this constraint. Height is not important because after all we are going to remove the material. So I will close it, and I will go with the cut, and I will say through all. So as an engineer you must have ability to read the drawing and also find out the mistakes in the drawing, like I have did here. So now I will on my origin plane, and now I will create this profile. So for this I will select this exit plane and I will create a sketch. I will off my origin plane. Now I will create this profile. So this is the 10 mm thickness, and inner dia is a 25, outer is a 50. So I will draw the two circles. Outer one is a 50, so I will give here 50. Inner one is a 25, so I give here 25. And now I will project this outer edge of my existing profile, and I will create a 3-point arc. And then I create a 2 horizontal line and connect the profile. I will remove this unnecessary arc here, so I will simply trim it, and now I will make it symmetric with my axis. So I will select this point, and my axis, and I will remove the conflict, and I will say delete. Now this is the 10 mm, so I will select this point and this point with the 10 mm, and here center to center distance is 100, so I will select this point and this point, the 100. So our profile is fully defined. Now I will come out of the sketch, and total width is 40, so I will go with the pad, and here I will give my dimension 40, and I will make it symmetric to the plane, and I will say OK. Now here is a one rib which is connecting to the this circular profile to this. So we will again on our plane and select this exit plane and create a sketch, and now here I will project the required geometry to make this profile. So I will project this one, and this one, and I will switch to the wireframe mode for better visibility. And now I will select 3-point arc, and same way I will select the 3-point arc here, and I will connect these two arc with the line. Now I will select this arc and my projected arc and make it equal. Similarly here I will select the both the arc and make it equal, and now I will draw a line to connect this. So here we will assume that this point is in a vertical relation with the center of the circle. So I will select these 2 points and add the vertical relation, and here I will add some approximate dimension, let's say 25, so that it should look the appropriate, or I will make it to the 20. Let's see. Okay, now I will again switch to the flat lines, and I will come out of the sketch and go with the pad option, and here is a thickness is a 10 mm, so here is a 10 mm but it is symmetric to the plane, and I will say okay. Now we can see here at the bottom there is a hole of a dia 15, so I will select the face and create a sketch, and I will switch to the isometric. I will draw the circle which is of diameter 15, and its vertical position is not given, so I will give some approximate dimension. So I have projected the edge. Now I will select this point and this point and give the horizontal relation it is. So I will give it a 15 mm. Now I will come out of the sketch and I will go with the cut, and here I will say through all, say okay. So we have successfully converted this isometric image into the 3D model with the help of a part design workbench. Now we can give some random color to our part, or you can give your own color from the here, but I prefer the chrome color, so I will go to the appearances and go for material and give the chrome. So this is all about this tutorial, and if you like this tutorial then please like, subscribe and share my channel. Your small support will help this channels to grow, and at the same times visit my coffee page. If you are want to appreciate my work, then you can donate me. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com for more information on a FreeCAD and tutorials on a FreeCAD. So this is all about these sessions. I will come with more interesting tutorial on a FreeCAD. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.